Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can share our personal folder with S3 bucket using AWS CLI in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS CLI. First of all, we need to log in with our AWS credential. For this, type AWS configure and hit enter. Here if I go to the downloads folder, here you can see we have one folder with the name of data and we have 3 different files. We want to share this folder with our S3 bucket. So let's see how we can share with this. First of all, we need to go in downloads folder. For this, type cd downloads and hit enter. Now if we want to see our S3 bucket, for this type AWS S3 ls and hit enter. Here we have different buckets. For example, I want to share this folder with my-bucket 0092. If I want to check this bucket, type AWS S3 ls then S3 : my-bucket 0092 and hit enter. Here you can see we have 2 different files. Now for share this folder, type AWS S3. We will use sync command to share this folder. After typing sync, give the name of folder, which is data, then provide the destination path where you want to share this folder. In our case, this is S3 : my-bucket 0092 and I want to give the name to this folder, for example data-backup, and hit enter. As you can see, these files uploaded successfully to our data-backup folder. If I again run the same command AWS S3 ls then S3 : my-bucket 0092 and hit enter. Here you can see now we have one folder with the name of data backup. If I want to see these files in the folder, then type AWS S3 ls then S3 : my-bucket 0092 / and provide the name for this folder. After typing name, hit enter. Here you can see all 3 files are available here. Now if I add some more files in the folder, as you can see I have added 2 files. One is 123.txt and other is 234.txt. Now I want to add these files in my data-backup folder. For this, we rerun the sync command again. Now this time it will check all the files and only upload the files which are not available in our data-backup folder. Now if I again try to run this command, here you can see nothing happened. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.